Alright guys, so we're doing the thermostat, which wasn't too easy to take out. I mean, it wasn't too hard to take out. It was pretty easy to take out. So I ordered one of these online and I thought it was too small. And I'm not quite sure whether it's too small or not, but I went to AutoZone just to make sure that it was the right size. Now I'm probably going to return the one that I bought online because I already got one from AutoZone. And when I went there, they told me there was like 3 different types of these. And I was like, 3 temperatures? So it turns out it's 88cc, 192 Fahrenheit. This is the 8-cylinder, I believe. I believe this is the 8-cylinder. Yep, got this one. You guys ever want to know where it's located? And the guy couldn't tell me, you know, what the thermostat was right off the VIN number. So I thought that was kind of odd, but regardless, got the right one, and just gonna swap this out. Don't know why it's this hard, this embedded in there, but it is what it is. Definitely gonna try to see if I'm gonna change out the gasket. Now, the problem that I had with the gasket with the water pump was it was so old that it was like I had to use a razor blade, and even then I wasn't able to get enough of this off. So yeah, and this one's got something else on there. I don't know what it is, but you know what? I might just use this gasket and just put some gasket maker on there. I'm just gonna go around with some gasket maker, and I'm just gonna pop this in without using the new gasket, because thinking back on it, I probably definitely should have just bought a whole entire assembly, because I can tell you now that taking this gasket off, I'm going to take parts of this off. It's going to be a pain in the butt, and then I'm going to have to use some kind of, I'm going to have to use the razor blade to take this off too, but I don't know. Let me see if I could actually try it. I'm not quite sure what to do with this as far as the gasket is concerned. I do have a gasket. I did buy a gasket, but unfortunately, it's so old that the gasket kind of melted into the assembly. And in situations like this, best situation is probably get the whole new assembly, which I had a chance of getting, but I didn't. It sucks. But whatever.